What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video I'll show you how to draw a simple holiday turkey. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of our page with the beak. We're going to start right in the middle, start with a point. Now from this point we're going to curve the left side of the beak, going out, around, and then back in towards the center. Go back up to the top and do the same thing across the right side. Now draw that flap coming down the right side. Starting from the very top in the middle, go out, and then bend that down. Bend this out towards the right. And around at the end, come in and then up towards the right side of the beak. Let's go back up to the top and draw two large circles for the eyes. We're going to start right in the middle, go up, round up the top of the eye, come down and then in towards the side of the beak on the left. Go back to the center and do the same thing on the right. Going up towards the same height, come around and then bend that in. Now to push the pupils towards the inside of the eye. Let's start from the middle, draw a smaller circle over toward the left, and then bend that in. Do the same thing on the right side. Now draw a small highlight circle along the top of each eye, coming around and back up. And then we'll fill in the bottom of the eyes, going around that highlight. Let's add a fold underneath the eyes. Starting on the bottom left, come around and just bend that in. And then we'll add a fold along the top of the eye. Starting from the top left, go all the way around, in, and then down. Let's close off the top of the head with a curve, going up the middle, and then back down on the right side. Let's add a couple feathers along the top. Starting in the middle, bend this up and out towards the right. Round this out, come in and then back down. Let's add another one. Just going to draw a smaller one going out, in, and then down. Now let's go underneath the eyes and draw a curve coming down and then in across the side of the neck. Let's start with the left side. Come down, and then bend that in. Go to the right side, come down and in behind that flap. Continue down towards the bottom. Let's add some feathers along the bottom of the neck. Starting on the left, go out, around, and just pull that in. Now we'll add two more feathers along the inside. Come down and up and towards the middle. Do the same thing on the right. Now from this point, we're going to step down and curve the side of the body, going out, down, and then in. And then we'll go back up to the top and draw on the wings. Let's start from the side. We're going to go out and then down. Just round up the feather and pull that back in. Let's add another one. Going out and then down toward the side. Round this out and pull that in. Let's do that one more time. Coming down. Now we're just going to pull this up towards the side of the body. Now from the bottom edge of the body, I'm just going to curve this around, come in, and then pull that up in the center. Go down and out towards the right, and then up underneath the body. Let's add some feathers along the base of the leg. Starting on the outside, curve around, and then up. And to go to the inside and do the same thing, leaving a gap in between. Connect the ends with another curve. Now I'm going to go to the inside and draw two straight lines coming down towards the ankle. Let's go to the left side, round up the ankle, coming in and going straight out. Let's go back to the left side. We're going to draw the first toe, coming down, go up towards the top, and then bend that down on the inside. Let's layer a second toe in behind. Starting from the outside, go out, up towards the top. I'm just going to bend this down towards the ankle. And then from the ankle, draw a straight line going up towards the body. Now I'm going to add some texture across the feet and the legs. Let's start from the first toe, curve this in and then down, step in, and draw that again. Let's add those same curves on the back toe. We're going to step up, come in, and we'll add 2 curves across the leg. Start along the bottom, move up, and draw that again. Let's go back and add some texture inside the body. We're going to start right in the middle at the very top. Start with a half circle. Go to the left side, draw another half circle coming down and up. Do the same thing on the right. Let's go back to the center, step down, draw another half circle coming down and up towards the left and right side. And we'll add 1 small curve along the bottom. Now I'm going to place the tail feathers in behind the body. Let's start from the left side of the neck, bend this up, and then out, go over towards the right, and do the same thing. Now from the tip, we're just going to round this out, come down, and then bend that in on top of the wings. Let's add another feather. Starting from the base, curve this up, and bend that out. Round up the end, come down, and then in towards the side of the wing. Now I'm going to draw 1 more on either side. Start from the bottom, go out, and then down. Let's round this out, come down, and then in behind the bottom of the wing. Now I'm going to go back and add a thick stripe across the end of each feather. Let's start from the bottom, just add a curve, do the same thing to each of the feathers. Now you want to step in and draw that same curve. Let's finish our drawing by signing our art and adding a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how we draw a cartoon turkey. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. You can also drop your requests in the comments below. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.